How to reverse a video on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to reverse a video on Instagram. So as you can see, when you try to upload a photo or video like this from over here, you cannot actually directly reverse a video, because you can see there is actually no any option to directly reverse the particular video from over here. You can instead replace the video, crop the video, split the video, change the speed of it, but you cannot directly reverse the video. So in that case, what we need to do is we need a third-party application such like a video editor, which is a popular one. Just select a CapCut video. Once you're inside here, just select any of the videos, and when you select any of the videos, scroll all the way to right until you see the option called reverse the video. As you can see, just tap on this reverse video, and just like that your videos will be reversed. And as you can see, my video has been reversed. Now all you need to do is you just have to upload this video into your, after saving this video, you have to upload this video into your Instagram from over here. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.